folks, it's me again. I'm doing something weird today. It's not really weird, it's just I have this chair, which if you look at it from down here, there's this one and there's this one. This one I like because of the height, and this one I have in my store. It's at least, I don't know how many inches up here. We're going to measure it. I can find measuring tape. Where'd it go? Where'd all my measuring tapes go? There we go. Well, anyway, I have this chair and it's about, this thing sucks. What does this thing know? I don't like this tape. Jesus. Bajunk, bajunk, bajunk. Whatever one. Oh, same kind. Look at that. This one kind of works. It's about 6.5 inches too high. So I'm going to cut 6.5 inches off the bottom. The other thing I don't like about it, let me show you this here. If you look at this right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's got this big round ring, and maybe I'll cut like 6 inches off. Let me measure this chair. This chair is about 25 inches, and this one is 30, so 5 inches should be good. Now I just gotta mark it and cut it, but I'm gonna cut it on sloppy videos here. See, it's getting all rusty and it's crusty, and it's a good chair. Top's good. It's been in my store for a while. What is, most people don't sit on it. It sits at my, I have a little tiny cash register, a little like nook, and when people buy stuff, they just sit it on it. And occasionally a few people come and lounge out and sit there for a while, and I tell them you can. We're not a pool hall. You gotta like chill out. So I'm gonna chop the bottom off. I also bought, these are what? 7/8. Is this 7/8? Yep, 7/8. I bought these little rubber nubs that go over the ends when I cut it off. I'm gonna set up I'm gonna cut it on the bandsaw, because why the hell not, right? So stay tuned. I'm gonna cut it on the bandsaw. Just gonna measure 5 inches here. Hopefully this comes out okay. It's not exactly the most science of the rockets here, but that bandsaw is gonna prove quite tricky. That's what I'm probably gonna not enjoy, but we'll see. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna pause this. Never forget eye protection. I don't care what the hell he says. Losing an eyeball is not an option. Out of here. Fuck. Remind me to clean this place up. Okay. One more. Yeah, not bad. Let me put this over here for now. Now let's see. Short. Come on, stay over there. Just stay. Just stay there. Okay, got that. Unplug this and we'll cut my arm off. All right, let's go back to the table now. Let's see. Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay. One of the things I like to that's way too bright. Anyway, I turned the light on. But anyway, got to deburr this because there's always burrs on it. It's very burring. You can do one of two things. You can use this type of a deburring tool. That does the inside. Does a pretty good job. The outside is also a problem. You also have this kind. Actually, I didn't show you this. This is a simple window. Anything out of here. This is this kind. You could buy like 10,000 extra. And there's this kind. I got both. You can, of course, it doesn't fit. So we're gonna have to do the inside. Why am I deburring the inside? Because you like losing a finger? I don't. Let me get a file. Get yourself a bastard file and just carefully. I like to deburr stuff because me and many other people I know love to get splinters. It sucks. Wood splinters are okay. Metal splinters are the worst. I mean, I'm sure if I had a metal splinter in my hand, I could just go to the, what do you call it, the MRI place and just hold my finger and just suck the thing out of my finger. But I don't really have, where I am to get an appointment to get an MRI, it takes like a very long time. So I'm not gonna, not gonna push it. So don't rely on borrowing the MRI machine. So we'll just, it doesn't have to be perfect, just has to just has to prevent your finger from being abused. I think I did a pretty good job on this one. I know some of you are like, hey, he's finally doing work. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been doing stuff. But hey, it's my channel, I do whatever I want. So I do a lot of stuff. I just when you gotta set up stuff and record, sometimes I'm just sitting here and out of here. I don't have time to make a video. So, but if I had the chance, I would try to make a video of all the stupid things I do, all the toys and dumb things I fix. Oh, and I will be making a video soon of me making a wooden Roblox toy because I made 2 of them earlier in the pandemic. And now my other 2 kids want one, so I gotta like make 4. I only had 2 kids at the time, so. Also, that one bandsaw is amazing. I actually have. That's my other one. I don't know where I don't know where my second one is. I think my father-in-law has it. But I have I bought it. It was cheap. I paid it. If you go back on my YouTube channel, you'll hear the story. I got it cheap, and I really don't care if these are level because every one of these chairs wobbles in my store. The floor ain't perfect. Take one of these suckers and go on there. That was an easy hack, right? How to hack your chair. I don't know where I got this chair. But I've always hated the height because you sit there and your legs dangle. You know when you sit on a chair and you're like, you're too short. The chair's too tall, and you kind of like the back of your leg digs in, and you just lose. Like, your feet are dangling. It had the little support for putting your legs on, but I was like, I never liked it. It was just like a stupid design. And then the top piece is like, so I don't know where I got this chair. The other trick is if one of these is too short, you put a little piece of cardboard in there, a little disc, and brings it up. I learned that off an old wise man. Not like a wise ass, but anyway. So now we should have a chair that's. Ooh, I like this. It's a little hard. So now we have a chair which you can't see. It's a better quality, high quality chair with roughly the same height. Take a look at this. I don't know if you can see the shit. See if you can see the junk pile. Come on, I'll show you the bottom here. See, it's got rubber legs right there. Also, if you look here, see there's a slice. If you look in the top here, there's a nice slice here. I was using it to cut lumber one day and I cut right through the chair. It's got a few battle scars. I probably should fill it some wood glue or something. This chip broke off. But hey, it is what it is. So anyway, let me move the camera up here like so. Anyway, if you like this little video hack, if you'd like to subscribe. These were, the chair was of unknown thing. I've had it for at least 10 years. And these were, what, $4? I was going to just hack it off and, I don't know, like tape it up until I went to the hardware store. Actually, I was going to buy them on Amazon. And then I seen them at the local hardware store. I was like, oh, well, might as well pick them up there. So, see my tan? It's all dark. Look, it went away. See? Look, I'm light color again. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I do, I don't know, sometimes nothing but chat. But it's all good. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my 1,860 subscriber. You're all awesome. Toodles.